Hi Cancer, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Cancer, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, Cancer. We are picking these cards, guys. For your relationship, this is the card, guys, and for your career situation, one more card. And I also have a fairy tale pick a card love reading after this general energy. So if you are interested, you can watch that, guys, Cancers. So let's start with the general energy. We have Sun, Five of Pentacles, and the World. So Cancers, with these cards, guys, in your situation, maybe you are facing some financial troubles, or in your career, or it may be an illness you have. It may be your energy, guys, or this person you love, or someone from your family. So they are having some, they are sick and you are really worried for them. So some kind of troubles or worries because of that, because of this person's illness, guys. So that is worrying you a lot today. And Cancers, maybe in your situation, certain things are going beyond your expectations. Maybe it may be again in your career or personal life. Even before you are making the effort, you may see some kind of coincidences or things falling into place without you making the efforts necessary. So some whatever is destined, that is reaching you today, guys, even without you making the efforts for that. So it may appear as some kind of a blessing today for you. And maybe for some of you, you are making plans for a travel. Maybe you are planning to travel for a holiday, or planning a vacation with your person, or it may be a trip for work. It may be a work related trip. So something like that, guys. And I also see that you are, maybe few troubles are there in your career, and there may be few misunderstandings in your personal life. But whatever the situation is, you are going to see positive changes happening in your life today, guys, in your career and personal life. There are going to be great positive changes in your situation, Cancers. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. Let's see what is the card. Relationship. It is Nine of Pentacles in reverse. So we see that in your personal life there are some troubles, maybe some misunderstandings. Maybe you feel that you cannot trust this person. So some kind of troubles in your relationship may be there. But I also see that the previous cards have pointed as towards something very positive. So your situation is going to change, guys, Cancers. So what is the card for your career situation? It is Eight of Swords. So again, in your career, you feel stuck, or some kind of obstacles are there holding you back. You feel you are unable to make a positive move or a forward move in your career situation. So some troubles for some of you maybe. But whatever be the situation, guys, it is all going to resolve, guys. That is what I see. So your troubles are nothing today. Everything is going to change, Cancer. That is what I see with these cards, Cancers, for your daily reading, guys. If you are interested, you can watch the fairy tale pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Cancers. For your fairy tale story, guys, we have two cards here. So, if you are interested to watch this reading, you can just close your eyes, think about your situation, then open your eyes, choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card. This is your first card. So let's start the reading after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so I will start with this card first. So let's see what it is. The Rose Elf, Revelations. So for those who have chosen this card, the first card, guys, it just means that whatever truth, however hard you try, maybe you are trying to hide something, or this person you are in relationship with, they are trying to hide something, but truth will come out one day, maybe not today, but it will surely come out. So you can never hide truth. That is the basic meaning of this card, guys. And however hard you are suppressing it, you are hiding some secrets, or they are hiding some secrets from this person, or it may be something you did, some kind of unkindness or rude behavior or some kind of abuse you are facing. So though you are not revealing that, it may be from someone very close to you. So they are harming you in some way, or you are doing that to someone, but you can never suppress it for a long time, guys. It is going to come out someday, and justice will take its natural course. So you can never escape from the evil things or the bad things that happens. Maybe we are in the receiving end, but we are ready to forgive this person and move on, but still the things that have been done to us, someday it will come to the surface, and that person will get the results for the evil deed. So if we do something good, we will reap the good results, guys, but if we do something bad, we are going to reap the bad things. It is the natural law of the world. So though you are trying really hard to cover up with our actions, or try to hide those secrets, whatever it is going to come to surface. So maybe if you are seeing someone like that in your situation, maybe you see someone in troubles, in some worrying situation, you can give them hope and instill faith in their heart. So this fairy tale story is about that, guys. So we have to have faith and hope in the future, and justice will surely come to pass. That is the energy with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this card. And that is the reading with this card. So let's start with the second card. So let's see what is the story with the second card, guys. So we have the Frog Prince. So with this card, it just means that we are trying to close ourselves. Maybe we are afraid of intimacy, we are afraid of opening our heart to someone, and we are trying to avoid people or trying to avoid someone. But today we have to have that understanding that if we want a deep, meaningful connection, we should not be afraid to have that open heart to heart communication and that openness in our relationship, guys. So There is someone who is wishing to be in connection with you very deeply, but you are rejecting them. And you are not, maybe for some of you, you are rejecting someone, or for some of you, you are not keeping your word, keeping some promise. So it is time for you to keep up your word, guys. And maybe sometimes when we become too close to someone, we have that discomfort at the beginning, because this person knows everything about us or will know everything about us. But it is time you share your feelings, affection, and be with that person if you want that deep, meaningful love, meaningful connection, guys. So that is what this card is about, guys. So the person who you feel is worthy for you is the right person. You can share your deep thoughts or whatever wishes and dreams you have for yourself with them. Only then you will be able to establish that beautiful relationship, guys. So that is the meaning with this card, guys. For those who have chosen the second card, that is your reading. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.